And yes, actually, I was working in private sector, but because of during lockdown, actually, during lockdown, I had to lose my job. So currently I'm looking for a job. And yes, there are 5 members in my family including me. I have one elder brother and elder sister, both are working. And my father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker.
Okay, okay, that's
Hmm.
nice. So, what sort of job you were doing earlier?
I used to work for bank actually. So
Okay,
in that, actually, I was looking after demat account. So
okay,
I was looking for so currently I'm looking for some better opportunities in some other sector also. If private sector, then it's okay, I would like to join. And
okay.
since means I'm free, so I should means I thought that I should means I should join something where will I get some knowledge. And this is the time means I can improve my English also, and I can create some environment also. So that's why I joined you, ma'am, actually. Means
Yes,
I
because
look every day, means I watch YouTube videos, and most English, like English videos, so that means I can improve my confidence. And it is also a helpful to remove my hesitation.
yeah, yeah, well, yeah,
Yeah, most of the people actually, because of hesitation, they don't speak. They always think that yeah, yes, you are judged by some people. So what if you said any wrong, then they will make fun of you. So because of this only, most of the people don't miss, even if they want to speak, but they are unable to speak because of hesitation. So I think I want to tell them that means just it's actually, first of all, it's not our native language. So it's okay actually. Mistakes are bound to happen. Mistakes are happening. No problem. So means we should remove hesitation first actually.
yeah. We should
After.
work uh, in our mindset first of all. That we
Hmm,
first
hmm.
we need to clear our mind. First, we need to clear with these useless sort of feelings and just prepare
Yes.
for learning.
And we should
Because
keep positive, like yes, we can speak. We can speak one day. Will be able to speak.
yeah,
Yes, like this.
definitely.
Yes.
But having said that, we cannot deny that in our society, what sort of mentality people have. Those
Yes.
who can speak English and those who cannot speak English as well, they also have a mindset that you
Yes.
know that like parents, they don't know English,
Yes.
but they are
Yes.
looking
They
bright.
start judging people.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Even those people who cannot speak English, who also try to find people who can speak English in an appropriate way. And those who can
Yes.
speak English, they have I'm not talking for everyone in general way, but most of them always have a superiority complex. They have to
Yes.
they try to show that I'm superior than you. You know, I'm superior than you. No one comes to help you, to guide you. People should create
Yes.
some sort of healthy atmosphere,
Hmm.
and this should be done from both sides. If one side
Yes.
will not do their work, so other side cannot uh, do their work as well. So these initiatives
Yes.
should be taken from both sides. Only then we will get some
Yes.
good results. Yeah, this is my
Yes,
opinion.
ma'am.
I
Yes, right.
I cannot say that.
Yes, actually, there are some people actually who have knowledge of English. They also sometimes are good. Like they also sometimes try to rectify our mistake. If
Yeah.
you're wrong, then they try all means they always try to means rectify our mistake. So
Yes.
yes, actually, there are some people who are good also. I'm not saying all
Yes.
people are like always means we are judged by those. We are judged by people only.
Yeah.
Some
Yes.
people, yes, some people judge us, but they always try to rectify our mistakes also.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's good
Because
actually.
because if you are surrounding with 100 people, suppose you are surrounding with 100
Hmm.
people, so we don't. If some in those 100 people, if one people come in front of you and tell you that hey, your English is bad, you are not
Hmm.
good at English at all. So we
Hmm.
take it like, oh, we take like it is the biggest thing, but
Huh.
we don't think about those 99 people. They don't say anything, so we should
Yes.
think for them. We also
Yes.
take seriously
Ah,
things because
yes.
we don't have a knowledge, and we also face the inferiority complex somehow. Yeah, so that is the reason people cannot overcome with these feelings,
Ah,
and they cannot take steps for learning. They
hmm.
just sit instead of talking to someone. It's better to hide
Hmm.
somewhere. They think
Huh.
like that. So this
Yes.
mentality should be changed, because
Yes.
no one can deny that English is a very important language, an important language, and we
Yes.
there is
Yes.
no option. We have to
Hmm.
learn, and we have to speak in a better way, so that we can enhance our
Yes. Yes.
overall personality, or in terms of career, in terms of communication skills. So it helps in various manners. So people should take some initiatives, I feel so.
Yes.
And if when
Yes.
someone
Yeah. That's.
have a good command in communication skills, so there is high chance in their life to have a awesome
Yes.
job
Hmm.
career opportunities, you know.
Huh. Yeah, actually nowadays not only communications, not only your qualification, but also
Yes.
you must have a good command or English.
Yeah.
And if you have at least good command or English, then you can knock many doors. Actually, there are many opportunities are there.
Yes.
We
Yes.
say like yeah, there are no jobs in the market, but yes, there are many jobs in the market. If you
Yes.
have a good command or English, then yes, you can get job anywhere actually.
Anywhere. Yes. Not only in our country, the whole world is
Yes.
open for us. You know.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. That is
It is
something I
commonly
really.
it is a
Yeah.
very common language for actually I think many countries.
Yes, and that is something I really
Hmm.
like about it. English is the only one language we can say like that. If you are good in English, so you can make a good career. You can
Yes,
talk to people all around the world, and you have lots of good things if you know one language, English.
yes.
Yes. So
Yeah,
yeah,
actually, and means I feel bad that actually some professional even they know how English important, and even if they try to make fun of us, actually, it's quite ridiculous, man. Actually, at least they should not make fun of us.
it
Actually,
happens, it happens
huh.
in even it happens in family itself. No other one uh, comes from any other family and other another house. It happens in
Hmm.
our own family, so we
Hmm.
can't do anything about that. People should change their mindset, and
Yes,
if
yes,
we tease someone in healthy way, so it is okay, but you should understand that someone get uh, hurts, because of your this sort
yes.
of activities gets hurt. Yeah, so people should realize that if you are good, so it is good, but don't make others low in inferior. Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, yeah, those who have knowledge, at least they should encourage people.
Yeah.
Yes, keep going. You are doing great,
Ye-
amazing. You are trying. You are brilliant. This
yes.
kind of things actually could be should be happen,
Yeah,
but we
we
can't
should
see this kind of things here.
fulfill with this sort of atmosphere, so that one can
Yes.
learn English is in easy way, because before learning English, people have to face useless sort of feelings, hesitation, nervousness, anxiety, and it is very
Hmm.
common, very
Hesitation,
common.
nervousness.
Even you or me
Very common.
also, sometimes we feel that when someone come in front of us who is very good command at English, so we start feeling nervousness, or fumble. It happens.
Yes.
So this is something scientific proven facts, proof, right?
Hmm.
But giving healthy atmosphere in society, that is different thing. So people should take initiatives, and those who are very good at English, they must take this sort of initiatives, I think.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay,
Yes, good
Ganesh.
actually. Good thoughts, ma'am. Nice thoughts.
Thank you so much. But by the way, you spoke very well. You also you have a good
I
command
try to speak actually. Yeah, actually, I try
English.
to speak with myself also actually in my free time.
Yeah, that is good.
So always keep speaking actually with myself, or I have two or three friends. So I try to speak with them in their free time. So always keep going like this, because nowadays I'm free actually. So yes, I want to knock the door. So it's not like yes there I don't want to be like here there are no any jobs. So yes, I know that actually now this language will take me to the means where I want to be.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely.
So that's why, yes, ma'am. First of all, means, I would like to thank you again. Actually, the way you are doing, actually, no one can do, ma'am. Everyone try to do actually, but they don't implement. But they don't put into action actually. But you have implemented in such a way that all means many people are encouraging actually. All means many people joined your group also. I think
Yes,
you have started WhatsApp group also now.
yes,
So yes, some people, yes, I think we are getting good response also from them, because they are passionate to speak. They are
yes,
also eager to speak actually. So actually, means we get some messages also actually from your our group members. So we try to speak.
yeah. That is very
Mhm.
good thing. I really like
Mhm.
about this thing. I
As you also means a text in a group that those who are interested just try to be a try to give your introduction, so
yes,
that you will get more familiar.
yes, yes. I, you know what, nowadays what happens with me, I have lots of work to do, and there are
Yes, I
lots of
know.
people, mail and so many things. So I was like, I sorry, I am like messed up with myself.
Yes, right.
I need to do that,
Hmm.
and I cannot arrange all the things. But
Yes, I know actually.
once
Hmm.
I organize all the things, then I will try to do all the things in appropriate way, because I really want to feel that some people are in groups, they don't that much, they don't active that much.
Yes,
So everybody need to participate in group, and
yes.
like you also, like I have another groups and girls groups, and they are like Shaktiman sort of active girls, I must
Okay,
say, you know. So
okay.
every day they put some vocabulary with sentence and meaning, Hindi meaning. So this is also help to build a good vocabulary, you know. So yeah, people should use those platforms as much as possible and take
Hmm.
benefit.
I would
Okay.
like to just tell you, just keep on like this, so that many more people, still there are many people who want to speak. So they will get this platform, and they will means they will achieve what they want to in in their life.
I will do, definitely I'll do.
Mhm.
I will not uh, leave this thing, because I have started with this thing. So I don't think so ki I will be able to leave this thing. It can't happen.
Yes,
Happen.
yes.
Sorry, I made mistake. Okay, Ganesh, I need to close this session. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Best
Yes,
of
ma'am.
luck.
It was really a nice session. Thanks to meet me, ma'am. Thank you so much. Actually, thank you from bottom of my heart. Really, it was nice conversation with you.
Thank you. Thank you too
Thank,
for joining me, and best of luck for your future as well. Okay. Bye
thank
bye.
you, thank you. Okay, bye bye.